Hi guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do Coco melon cake, and I already wrapped my cake on fondant. This is 6-inch and 9-inch round, and I used satinized fondant and I colored this with lime green fondant, just added a little bit, and it made this nice pretty pastel lime green, I guess, kind of a very pretty color. I like this. And pale blue color. Okay, so this is our base. This is gonna be very quick. Then I printed some images, and let's gonna cut it out. So I'm gonna do this face, and I need this. So try to get as close to the image as possible, but make sure it's not gonna compromise the paper so you start losing parts. All right, just like that. And we'll do the same with this. This I can cut a little loosely. Gonna do it wavy since it is letters, so there's no way I'll cut it nice. But we can make it like we meant it. See? See, now it looks like we meant it. All right. Now we're going to take some white fondant. Go ahead and make it nice and soft, so knead it real good. If it's sticky, use a little cornstarch. See? So it is a little sticky now, so that's fine. So the top a little sticky too, so that's, I like this, because if it's not sticky, you will have to use a little bit of water, but if it's sticky, you don't need to use anything. All right, now take our image, peel the back side of it, remember, and lay the image on top, and lightly rolling pin over the image, so it's kind of sticks. All right, And I'll do the same for the Coco melon. Just like that. Now I'll take our X-Acto knife and run it right along the edge of the paper, all right? So in this step, we try not to leave any space between where the paper stops and fondant starts, so we don't have extra, right? So it looks clean. So got that. The same on this one. All right, that's what it looks here. Nice. And I did the same thing for the baby, only I put wires through and I let it dry just like that on the table for a couple days. So that makes it nice and hard. And we can use it for the topper. All right, so now take a little brush with water. So I'll brush just a little bit on the back side. Pick the best side of the cake. I think this one is good. Go ahead and attach it. Just like that. Now when you work with water and edible image, make sure none of the water gets on the image or you will ruin it. You'll have to print it again, because water will start dissolve the colors on top of the image. All right. Okay, for the name, I don't have an edible image to print name the same way, so I'm just gonna use edible markers and just freehand letters. Now I already have this colors. We're gonna make rainbow. So just a little, roll it out. So roll it in the sausage. can run a little water in between the sausages so it kind of sticks a little bit. So it's easy for us to handle. Alright, I'm gonna do green. See, this cake we about to be done with, so very easy. But it still looks so cute. So not all cakes need to be super complicated to be cute. Alright, more water. Do blue. Alright, and last one is purple. And start form it on a table, because that way it's easier for you to bend it. Alright. I'll put a little water underneath. Make sure every sausage sticks. And go ahead, eyeball it where you want your rainbow. Alright. And then go and trim the parts you don't need. See, this is not sticky, so make sure you check that nothing wiggles. Alright, just like that. Alright, I have this cloud cutters, that's from PMA. And let's take some out. Again, use a little water. And see, I'm not putting a whole bunch of water. I just make it a little sticky, little tacky. Just like that. And then I'll just cut different sizes of the clouds. And I'm gonna stick it around the top tier. Now turn the cake towards you. Make sure this is our face like this, rainbow on the side. And let's go ahead and stick our topper. Alright. Then I have balloons on wire, so it's the same fondant. I roll it in a teardrop shape, put on wire, let it dry overnight. And today it's looking good. Okay. And I pre-colored some icing. The same colors, just a little brighter. So lime green and blue. And I'm gonna use star tip. What is this? It's Ateco number 22. I'll pipe some borders. Alright guys, so this is what we have. What you think? I think it turned out pretty cute and was very easy and quick. Here's the topper. A rainbow. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're new, so make sure you don't miss my new videos that's coming up. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.